This is going to be a brief tutorial on how to use Apple's iWeb what you see is what you get software. So what I'm doing right now is I'm creating a new site, and as you can see, you can select from many of the different pre-built templates that come with the iWeb software. So I'm just going to go ahead and select the dark room template here. This is going to be actually for a dress shop website. So what we're going to do is we're going to create the main page here. It's the home page, and we're going to add some text to it. And the text is actually going to be in Thai language, so I'm just going to copy and paste it in there. But you can see that it's real easy to go and manipulate the text, just like any kind of Microsoft Word. You can change the font size. We're going to eventually center it here in a minute. But basically, just like any other what you see is what you get kind of application like this, it's real simple and easy to use, and Apple makes it that much easier to do when adding photos, which you'll see in a minute. And I'm just going to drag and drop one of the photos I'm going to use for the main page here, and you can see you can move it around quite easily and resize and shape it to however you want. It's a little bit too big, so I'm going to make it a little bit smaller here, and we're going to resize that. And you can obviously delete anything on the page that you don't want. And I kind of fast forwarded here and added some text. So now what I'm doing is creating some link buttons. So off of our home page, we're going to have two other pages where that shows the in-stock dresses, and one that shows the archive dresses, or dresses that were in the store at one time but are out of stock now. And the idea is we want people to be able to come to the website and see what we have in stock and place orders over the phone. They can also check out the archives, and if they like anything there, we can go and try and order the same style or same type of material. So now that we have our button shape created for the most part, we need them to link to something. So we're going to go ahead and create a new web page, and we're going to select the photo style sheet and choose that. Then once we have our new page set up and displayed here, we're going to go ahead and edit some of the text to fit our website. So I'm going to put the store name here. We're going to delete out some of the other text that we don't need. The cool thing about iWeb from a photo perspective is you can just drag and drop the photos in. iWeb does the formatting and displaying automatically for you. So as you can see, I'm going to select a bunch of photos here, just drag and drop, and like magic they show up and they're all nicely displayed. And you can go in and actually change the style of the borders to make it kind of give it a little bit more of a polish look for your website. And we're going to go ahead and duplicate this website and create our archive page. So we're going to do that, and we're just going to select all the in-stock photos and delete those out, and then take our photos of our archived dresses, select all of those, and drag and drop them into our archived page. And just like that, we've got our two pages. So we're going to go back to the main page now, and we're going to actually use our buttons and link the buttons to those websites. So the new styles button will go to our in-stock dresses, and we're going to just create the link here. And that's as easy as selecting some drop-down menus. So now, as you can see, that has the link button in it, and that obviously won't appear on the web page, but it's for editing purposes. And we're going to point our archives button to the archives page, and so now we have our two buttons that we can use on our website, and there's our two pages of our in-stock dresses and our archive dresses. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and save this. And now that we have our website created, we're going to go ahead and publish that. There's 3 different ways of publishing the website using Apple's MobileMe paid solution. You can use an FTP server, which most people will use to FTP things directly to their website, and then you can also save it locally. And since this is a test site, we're going to go ahead and save this locally. I'm going to create a name, put the URL of the website, and go ahead and select a place to save our test website, and go ahead and publish that. So now we can go ahead and look at our finished page. Select that, opens it up in Firefox. So here's our website with our buttons, and also notice at the top that there's also a new and old button you can use. So here's all of our photos that we've created, and also Apple has a built-in QuickTime slideshow, which gives it more of a professional feel too as well. So that's a quick look at Apple's iWeb software. Thanks for watching.